Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Apple has gone and announced its M3 family of chips and updated its lineup of 14 and 16-inch MacBook Pros. A corollary effect of all these announcements is that the 13-inch MacBook Pro the one with the touch bar is no more. Instead, we now have a 14-inch MacBook Pro that comes with the base M3 chip. Is this now the best MacBook for most people in Apple's MacBook lineup? How does it compare to the MacBook Air? How fast is the new M3 chip? And can I play Baldur's Gate 3 on it? One way to tell that this 14-inch MacBook Pro has the base M3 chip is that it only has 2 USB-C ports. The M3 Pro and M3 Max models have 3. Another telltale sign is if it comes in space gray. That color is now exclusive to the 14-inch MacBook Pro with M3 because the M3 Pro and M3 Max units only come in silver and space black. Otherwise, it looks like any other 14-inch MacBook Pro, which is no bad thing really given that this design is still fresh and there's really not much wrong about it. The display is the same 14-inch Liquid Retina XDR display, which uses a mini LED panel and has a dynamic refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. On the whole, it's a great display with terrific sharpness, colors, and contrast. There's no question it's a significant step up from the MacBook Air's standard LCD displays. However, blooming continues to be an issue and some people continue to be annoyed by the notch. Maximum brightness remains the same at 1600 nits when displaying HDR content, but it can now get brighter when showing SDR, standard dynamic range, content by going up to 600 nits, up from 500 nits. Apart from the new M3 chip inside, the one thing to note about getting the base 14-inch MacBook Pro is that it'll only have 2 USB-C ports, and that they support Thunderbolt 3 instead of Thunderbolt 4. It still has a MagSafe port, so charging isn't really an issue, but connecting peripherals might be an issue if you have a lot of them and don't have a hub or dock, or intend to use Thunderbolt 4 accessories. Another shortcoming is that you can only output to a single external display. This has been a limitation of Apple's base chips, and it hasn't changed. The rest of the hardware remains best in class. The keyboard is a joy to type on and now has a proper row of physical function keys. The trackpad is humongous and extremely accurate and responsive. The 6-speaker sound system continues to impress and is easily one of the best speaker systems you'll hear on any notebook. There's convincing bass and there's little distortion even at high volumes, weaknesses of many lesser notebook speaker systems. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.